What if a single compliment could shape the way someone sees you forever? The Stoics believed that words, when used with intention, have the power to influence, connect, and build respect. In this video, we'll explore how to craft compliments that go beyond flattery, expressing admiration with depth, authenticity, and wisdom. It's essential to recognize that a well-crafted compliment can boost confidence and foster attraction, making it crucial to choose words that resonate on a deeper level. Throughout this video, we will explore various types of compliments that go beyond the surface, emphasizing authenticity and thoughtfulness. By understanding the nuances of what women appreciate, you can enhance your interactions and leave a lasting impression. We encourage you to engage with these insights and apply them in your daily life, as mastering the art of compliments can significantly enrich your relationships. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how to express admiration in a way that truly connects. Complimenting women in a meaningful way is essential for fostering genuine connections and building trust. It's important to emphasize that compliments should transcend surface-level remarks, as these often feel insincere and can be easily dismissed. Instead, take the time to notice and appreciate the little details about women, whether it's their unique style, a thoughtful gesture, or their intelligence. By acknowledging these subtleties, you demonstrate that you truly see and value them as individuals. Genuine compliments have the power to create a deeper emotional connection, as they reflect an understanding and appreciation of who they are beyond appearances. When women receive thoughtful compliments, it can boost their self-esteem and reinforce positive feelings about themselves. This, in turn, fosters a sense of intimacy and trust, paving the way for more meaningful interactions. So, let's strive to elevate our compliments, focusing on authenticity and depth, and watch how it transforms our relationships for the better. When complimenting women, it's crucial to avoid generic remarks that focus solely on appearance, as these can often come across as superficial and insincere. Compliments like "you're pretty" or "nice outfit" may seem harmless, but they can lead to misunderstandings and may even push you into the friend zone. Such comments often fail to convey genuine interest and can leave women feeling objectified rather than appreciated for their unique qualities. Additionally, the risk of being misunderstood increases when compliments lack context or depth. It's essential to be mindful of the vibe and setting when delivering compliments. What may be appropriate in one situation could be misinterpreted in another. For instance, a casual compliment in a professional environment might not be received well. By being aware of the context and choosing your words carefully, you can ensure that your compliments are both respectful and meaningful, fostering a positive connection rather than confusion or discomfort. Complimenting a woman's personality is vital for establishing a deeper connection and showing genuine appreciation for who she is beyond her appearance. Encouraging viewers to notice and praise qualities such as kindness, intelligence, or humor can significantly enhance interactions. When you recognize and acknowledge these personality traits, you differentiate her from others, making her feel valued for her unique attributes. For instance, praising her calmness in stressful situations or her unwavering focus on goals can leave a lasting impression, as it shows that you see and appreciate her strengths. Such compliments not only boost her self-esteem, but also foster a sense of intimacy and trust between you. By focusing on personality rather than just looks, you convey that you are interested in her as a whole person, which can lead to more meaningful conversations and connections. Ultimately, acknowledging her character traits can create a positive atmosphere, encouraging her to open up and share more about herself, enriching your relationship further. Emotional compliments play a significant role in enhancing attraction by positively influencing a woman's behavior and feelings. When you express genuine admiration for her emotional qualities, such as her empathy, resilience, or passion, you create a connection that goes beyond the surface. Encouraging viewers to use emotional language can help establish a deeper bond, as it shows that you are attuned to her feelings and experiences. For instance, telling her how her kindness inspires you or how her laughter brightens your day can resonate on a profound level. By stirring emotions through thoughtful compliments, you draw her closer, fostering a sense of intimacy and trust. This emotional connection can lead to increased attraction as she feels seen and appreciated for who she truly is. Ultimately, when compliments evoke genuine feelings, they can transform interactions, making them more meaningful and memorable. So let's embrace the power of emotional compliments to enhance attraction and build stronger, more fulfilling relationships. Complimenting a woman's hobbies and interests is incredibly valuable, as it demonstrates genuine interest in her as a person and acknowledges her passions. Encouraging viewers to recognize and admire her dedication to her pursuits can significantly enhance your connection. When you take the time to appreciate what she loves, whether it's her commitment to painting, her enthusiasm for hiking, or her dedication to volunteering, it shows that you see her beyond superficial traits. This recognition fosters a sense of validation and encourages her to share more about her experiences. Moreover, complimenting her hobbies opens the door to meaningful conversations, allowing you both to explore shared interests and deepen your connection. Discussing her passions can lead to engaging dialogues that reveal more about her personality and values, creating a richer understanding between you. Ultimately, by valuing her hobbies, you not only strengthen your bond, but also create an environment where both of you can thrive in authentic and fulfilling interactions. Acknowledging a woman's accomplishments is crucial for fostering a supportive and empowering relationship. Encouraging viewers to celebrate her victories, whether big or small, can significantly impact her self-esteem and confidence. When you recognize her achievements, be it a promotion at work, completing a challenging project, or even mastering a new skill, you validate her efforts and dedication. This recognition not only boosts her self-worth, but also strengthens the bond between you, as it shows that you genuinely care about her success. Moreover, highlighting her accomplishments demonstrates your support in her growth journey, reinforcing that you are invested in her aspirations and dreams. By celebrating her milestones, you create an environment where she feels encouraged to pursue her goals and take on new challenges. This mutual support fosters a deeper connection, as both partners feel valued and understood. Ultimately, acknowledging her accomplishments is a powerful way to enhance your relationship and contribute positively to her personal and professional growth. In this video, we explored the significance of delivering genuine and thoughtful compliments that resonate with women on a deeper level. We emphasized the importance of moving beyond surface-level remarks and recognizing the unique qualities, hobbies, and accomplishments that make each woman special. By using emotional language and acknowledging her personality traits, you can create a stronger connection and enhance attraction. If you found value in this, subscribe to the Stoic Code, where we apply timeless Stoic wisdom to modern challenges, helping you master communication, self-discipline, and meaningful relationships. Like this video to show your support and share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you've applied these tips and any additional insights you may have. Together, let's continue to learn and grow in our ability to connect with others through the power of genuine compliments.